This is an old-fashioned southern cornmeal gravy. Hello, this is Elegant Homestead. I'd like to show you an old recipe that came down from my grandparents. It's called meal gravy. Not the healthiest, but as gravies go, I am using organic shortening and organic cornmeal. You use cornmeal, and you make your gravy with that. I don't make it real often, but the thing is, I used to make it back when we were camping, and the smell alone would draw people from all over, and that's how I made friends. I would tell them how to make this, because it smelled so wonderful. So the trick is to get your cornmeal very, very brown. And just when you think it's brown enough, let it get almost, well, I'm not going to say burnt, but very, very brown. So hubby has some pinto beans, he's a vegetarian, and some mashed potatoes, and he has some biscuits left over from breakfast, so he's having a lunch. So he wanted meal gravy, and it's been ages since I've made this. Just a little bit of stirring. I'm not making a lot, but I thought I'll just show you how. And the smell on this is totally amazing. And it's a quick little gravy. It's getting brown, but like I said, we want it really brown. Sorry, I'm trying to get some oops, bad videography. Okay, I'm going to put some, you really have to put the pepper to it, and I will salt it later. See, it's coming along, getting very brown. Okay, see? See how really brown it's getting? Now that looks great. Okay, now I need 2 hands. I need to, okay, I'm going to add the milk. See? No, that worked out all right. That was the last of the milk, so I hope it's enough. Okay, now we just stir like any other gravy until it thickens up. And we have our meal gravy. A little bit different than the country gravy made with flour. And so I'm waiting on it to thicken up now. Yeah, this gravy should be really thick. So I turned it up so it would come to a boil without being too lumpy. And yeah, it's one of those constant stir things. It's coming along. Yeah, y'all know that hubby's a vegetarian. So he eats, every now and then he'll eat a little bit of meat. You see how that's bubbling? Now that should get really, really thick. And you know what? It could have even gotten even browner. So, yeah, just when you think it's so brown, yeah, cook it some more. Because see, it didn't get brown as I usually make it, as brown. So there you have it, coming along. It'll be ready any sec. When it gets thick, it is done. Of course, gravy, you know. Ah, look, see? It's really thickening up. Actually, according to a lot of people, this would be done. But I want to just show you how thick it can get. And this is one you want real thick, in my opinion. But to each their own, to each to their own preference. And the smell is amazing. See that stuff bubbling? Oh, there it is. Okay, this is another one of those hand-me-down recipes that's nice once in a while. If you're ever camping, you can make new friends. Because everybody will be wanting to know, what is that smell? I turn the fire off. Okay, it's chow time. And I had baked fish with my dinner. Of course, I'm going to have some of this. My lunch, rather. Yep. Now, it also goes on cornbread or biscuit. And, of course, on your mashed potatoes. And there you have it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. Thank you for watching. Bye.